12 Top Health Benefits of Using Baking Soda Daily. Introduction. The science behind baking soda's health benefits. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring compound with powerful alkalizing, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been widely used for centuries, not just in baking and cleaning but also for various health applications. Research suggests that sodium bicarbonate can help regulate pH balance, improve digestion, support kidney function, and even enhance exercise performance. Scientific studies support the benefits of baking soda in various medical applications. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the body. Another study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition highlights its ability to improve athletic performance by buffering lactic acid accumulation in muscles. With its wide-ranging health benefits, incorporating baking soda into your daily routine, when done correctly and in moderation, can be a natural and cost-effective way to support overall well-being. Here's a detailed look at 12 powerful health benefits of using baking soda daily. 1. Balances body pH and reduces acidity. Baking soda is an alkaline compound, meaning it can help neutralize excess acid in the body. The human body maintains a delicate pH balance, and excessive acidity can lead to various health issues, including acid reflux, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Regular but moderate consumption of baking soda diluted in water may help balance pH levels, reducing the risk of acidosis, a condition where the blood becomes too acidic. 2. Aids digestion and relieves acid reflux. One of the most well-known uses of baking soda is for relieving heartburn and acid reflux. It works as an antacid by neutralizing stomach acid, providing quick relief from symptoms such as burning sensations and discomfort. Studies suggest that sodium bicarbonate effectively alleviates indigestion and improves digestion by reducing excessive gastric acid. 3. Supports kidney health. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, often results in metabolic acidosis, a condition where the kidneys struggle to maintain proper acid-base balance. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology shows that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can slow kidney function decline in CKD patients. By reducing acid buildup, baking soda helps the kidneys maintain proper pH levels and enhances their overall function. 4. Enhances exercise performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often use baking soda as an ergogenic aid, performance booster. It helps delay muscle fatigue by buffering lactic acid, the substance responsible for muscle burn and soreness during intense exercise. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that athletes who consumed baking soda before high-intensity workouts experienced improved endurance and reduced fatigue. Five. Promotes oral health. Baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste and mouthwash due to its antibacterial and teeth-whitening properties. It helps reduce plaque buildup, neutralizes acids that cause cavities, and freshens breath. Additionally, a study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry revealed that baking soda-based toothpaste is more effective at removing stains and preventing dental decay compared to conventional toothpaste. Six. soothes skin irritations and rashes due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Baking soda is often used to relieve skin conditions such as eczema, insect bites, sunburn, and rashes. When mixed with water to create a paste or added to bathwater, it can help soothe irritation, reduce itching, and promote faster healing of minor skin issues. 7. A natural deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes odor-causing bacteria, making it an effective natural deodorant. Unlike commercial deodorants that may contain harmful chemicals such as aluminum, baking soda absorbs moisture and prevents bacteria from thriving in sweat-prone areas, keeping body odor at bay. 8. May help combat urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, often occur when bacteria thrive in an acidic environment. While baking soda does not treat UTIs directly, it may help create a less hospitable environment for bacteria by raising urine pH. Drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can provide temporary relief from UTI discomfort, though medical treatment is necessary for full recovery. (9) Supports detoxification. Baking soda may assist in detoxifying the body by aiding in the elimination of toxins and excess acids. Some natural health practitioners recommend adding a small amount of baking soda to water to support liver and kidney function in flushing out harmful substances. While more scientific research is needed, its alkalizing effects suggest potential benefits in reducing toxic load. 10. Relieves cold and flu symptoms. Baking soda's alkaline nature may help soothe sore throats, reduce nasal congestion, and ease cold and flu symptoms. Gargling with baking soda water can help kill bacteria in the throat, while a baking soda steam inhalation may provide relief from sinus congestion and respiratory irritation. 11. May reduce gout and joint pain. Gout is caused by excess uric acid buildup in the blood, leading to painful joint inflammation. Baking soda's alkalizing effect may help dissolve uric acid crystals and promote their elimination through urine, potentially reducing gout symptoms. However, individuals with kidney disease or high blood pressure should consult a doctor before using baking soda for this purpose. 12. Improves skin and scalp health. Baking soda is often used as a natural exfoliant for the skin and scalp. It helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and balance pH levels, which may reduce acne and dandruff. Some people also use it as a scalp rinse to combat oil buildup and irritation, though it should be used sparingly to avoid over-drying. Precautions and medical disclaimer. While baking soda offers many health benefits, it must be used with caution. Excessive consumption can lead to side effects such as electrolyte imbalances, high sodium levels, and digestive issues. Individuals with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or other medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda as a supplement. Additionally, baking soda should not be used as a substitute for professional medical treatment. Always seek medical advice before using it for health purposes, especially for long-term or frequent use. Conclusion. Baking soda is a versatile and inexpensive natural remedy with numerous health benefits, from aiding digestion and improving kidney function to enhancing exercise performance and promoting skin health. Its scientifically backed properties make it a valuable addition to daily health routines when used appropriately. However, moderation and medical guidance are key to ensuring its safe and effective use.